Good morning. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. We have some big breaking update coming at this point in time. At the top of first break, NCB raid at Rhea Chakravarti's residence. That's the big update that we have for you right now. NCB officials and Mumbai cops currently are at Rhea Chakravarti's residence. Siddhant Mishra, my colleague, joining us on the broadcast this morning. We'll go across to Siddhant in just a bit, but that's the big update coming in at this point in time. NCB officials have reached Rhea Chakravarti's residence, and those are the first and exclusive visuals that we have for you of NCB officials along with Mumbai police at Rhea Chakravarti's residence in Mumbai. Remember, the news has been tightening as far as Chakravartis are concerned ever since Times Now exposed the drug chats between Rhea Chakravarti and some other people. And since then, NCB came into the picture in this entire investigation. Narcotics Control Bureau had been looking at the drug angle in this particular case. Siddhant Mishra, my colleague, joining us on the broadcast this morning. Siddhant, over to you. Tell us what's happening.
Well, that's absolutely right. Today is a very significant day because the houses of Samuel Miranda and Rhea Chakrabarti is being raided. Times Now is on ground, and you see this is Rhea Chakrabarti's residence, where this morning at around 7 the teams have gone inside to raid the apartment of Chakrabarti's. Rhea Chakrabarti and Shouvik Chakrabarti lives here. The NCB teams have arrived in 2 vehicles. The top IRS officer Sameer Wankhede is heading the team along with KPS Malhotra, the officer who has landed in Mumbai from Delhi. You can see teams are currently inside. This has come after they have registered the case. This has come after they have already made 4 arrests in the case, which includes Abbas, which includes Zaid, and which includes others also. And in their testimonies, they have confessed that they were in touch with Shouvik Chakravarti. In their CDRs, it has been established that they were in touch with Shouvik Chakravarti, and this is perhaps the reason that today the agency has decided to raid the houses of Chakrabarti and Samuel Miranda. Now you see the in Zaid's CDR, Samuel Miranda's number had reflected, and this is perhaps the reason that his residence has also been raided. Now you see this is the car of the NCB official top officer which is parked right here. You can see NCB team is sitting here also, and they are inside the car, and the one team has gone inside. The NCB team along with the Mumbai police protection, they have come. You can see the Mumbai police protection is also there. So usually during the raids, the local police provides protection. Now you see this is Rhea Chakrabarti's residence, where the teams have gone inside. This is massive because this is perhaps first time when any agency is raiding the Chakrabarti's house, and you see that is Chakrabarti's apartment where the teams have gone inside. The raid is on. We've been told that it is going to take almost 4 to 5 hours for the raid to get finished. Now the reason here is that in Zaid's CDR, Samuel Miranda's number was reflected. It has also been established that Zaid was in touch with Shouvik Chakrabarti. It has also been established that through Bashid and one other, Zaid got in touch with Shouvik, and then Shouvik put him in touch with Samuel Miranda. So this is entire cartel as per the Narcotics Control Bureau, and this is the reason that this morning, very secretly, nobody was aware about it. It was only Times Now who got this tip that the teams are inside. Teams have reached Rhea Chakrabarti's residence, and there we are breaking with the visuals. You can see this is the vehicle of a top officer's parked, and these are the NCB officials sitting in the car. The one team has gone inside. Sir, आपकी एक टीम अंदर गई है सर? सर, आपकी एक टीम अंदर गई है? सर, आप NCB से हैं? Yes, they are from NCB. They are tight-lipped. They are not authorized to speak or comment on this entire issue. But again, a very significant day. This morning, it is a game-changing as far as this entire news break is concerned, because for the first time, the residence of Chakrabarti is being raided, and that too by Narcotics Control Bureau. You see the intensity of this entire case. First, the teams had landed from Delhi. Then, dump data analysis was shared with them by Enforcement Directorate. Times Now played those chats where Rhea Chakrabarti is speaking about marijuana, speaking about bud with other staff members of of Sushant's house. We also have those chats where Riya and Shovik are talking about buds. We have also put out those chats where Riya, Gaurav Arya, Shruti Modi are talking about buds. So, each and every day Times Now has been exposing this entire cartel, and today you see the teams are inside the residence where we are reporting from. Now there you see the vehicle is parked. 2 vehicles have gone inside. The top officer Samir Wankhede is, we have been told, is leading the team at this point in time, and they are currently inside her house. Now women constable and women officers have also gone in, and they are because there are women inside the house, so so it is important that a women officer accompanies the team. So the women officer has also gone inside.
I want to now understand, because till about yesterday we were saying that perhaps NCB officials are expected to call Shovik Chakraborty because they want certain answers. So what really changed in the last 24 hours? Because yesterday around the same time only we were discussing that Shovik is likely to be summoned either on Friday or Saturday. Bhavtosh, my colleague, is also joining us on the broadcast. Before that, Siddhant, why don't you respond to this?
Well, that's absolutely right. Even we all were expecting Shovik Chakraborty to be summoned along with the others. But the fact here is that this is a surprise which has come from Narcotics Control Bureau. Even Chakrabortys were expecting that they will be summoned, but that did not happen. Instead of summoning them under a 67 of NDPS Act, the teams doing this entire case decided to do ops, and this is perhaps the reason that they are here inside the Chakraborty residence. Now, the fact here is, the importance here is that we've been told that once this raid will get over, then the Chakrabortys will be summoned. They'll be confronted with the evidences the teams have got. They'll be confronted with the chats which Times Now has played. They'll also be confronted with the CDR records. I'm just interrupting you again,
requesting you to stay on with us. Let me go across to Bhavtosh as well. Bhavtosh, good morning. What is it that you can share with us as far as your sources in the NCB are concerned? What are they telling you? What really led to this sudden action by the NCB officials early morning today?
Well, there is definitely an element of surprise as far as NCB is concerned, and as Siddhant rightly put it, the NCB wanted to carry out searches so that these prime suspects in this case don't have any idea what is the strategy of NCB. If you just look at the sequence of events that has happened in past 2 or 3 days, NCB first said it's Karan Arora and also Abbas Lakhani, and subsequently they picked up Zaid and Basit. Now, Zaid and Basit were the ones who were in direct touch with Samuel Miranda through Shovik Chakraborty, and then Shovik Chakraborty was the one who shared the number of Zaid with Samuel Miranda. After they were formally arrested in this case, the police, the NCB in fact picked up Kazan Ibrahim. So Kazan Ibrahim also admitted that he knew Shovik as well as he knew Zaid and Basit. Now, there is a chain that has been established by NCB that clearly showed that Shovik Chakraborty was in touch with peddlers. The question is that was Shovik only consuming drugs, or was he someone who was trying to also sell drugs so that he can finance his usage and also make money? If you just look at the call detailed records of October 2019, which Times Now has managed to access, there's several friends of Shovik who are in touch, who in fact call him whenever they run out of the supply, whenever they run out of drugs, and he was the one who again mentioned the name of Zaid. So it's a long chain. It's also a chain that has been operational for a very long time, and that could be the reason why they have decided to carry out searches at Shovik's place. And they will be, as Siddhant rightly said, they will be served summons. They will be asked to join the investigation. It could be today itself.
Is it also a possibility, Bhavtosh, that Shovik gets arrested just like the 4 others in this case? Because as you're telling us that the clear link between Zaid and Basit has been established with Shovik Chakraborty, is it a possibility that post this raid Shovik gets arrested as well instead of being summoned?
Well, he will be summoned. It's only during the questioning that if the evidence is stacked up against an individual that an agency decides to arrest someone. Arrest is the last option that any agency has. Arrest happens only because they need custodial integration. So it would be too very premature on our part to say that he will immediately be arrested. Option will be given to him to give his side of the story, also share whatever evidence that he has against the charges that have been leveled by Zaid, by Basit, and by also Kazan. And he will be questioned for a long time, that we can say for sure. But arrest would be something that will be the last course of action for any law enforcing agency.
Okay, but what you're telling us is that he perhaps can be summoned today itself. Stay on with us, Bhavtosh. Let me go back to Siddhant, who is at the spot. He is outside Rhea Chakravarti's residence in Mumbai, where currently NCB officials are conducting a raid. Siddhant, any another activity, development that you have noticed over the last few minutes? Are the Chakravartis at home?
Well, as Bhavtosh rightly mentioned, after doing all the concrete work, moving in the investigation block by block, NCB has those CDRs, NCB has those chats between the Chakrabartis, with Samuel Miranda, with Zaid, with the fellow who has been detained yesterday. All these proofs are within NCB to confront the Chakrabartis. Now you see, it is very rare. So far we had seen Mumbai police, Bihar police, CBI, ED handling this entire case, but nobody has ever raided Chakrabarti's residence. Why this is unprecedented is that the Narcotics Control Bureau, which deals with the peddlers and cartels, have decided to raid Chakrabarti residence. So that is very interesting and significant, and this is the reason that this morning at around 6:50 teams have reached here, and 6:52, 6:53 Times Now teams have come, and the teams had gone inside the residence, and the raids are currently being carried out. They are being accompanied by the women officers. The top officer of the Narcotics Control Bureau in Bombay, Sameer Wankhede, is leading the team, along with the KPS Marotra, who is again a very senior officer and has landed from Delhi, especially for this purposes. Now the fact here is, there are two possibilities which I am being confirmed by my sources. There could be an arrest also in the case. There could be summons also in the case. So more likely NCB is going to summons them. They are going to confront them. They are going to keep them together with the other arrested accused to confront them with the evidences and the facts that had come in an investigation. Other big people like Farooq Batata, other biggies like Chinku Pathan, those who supply MDMA and drugs in Mumbai city, and are the kingpin of the business, will also be called in. This is also, we have been confirmed. And now one thing is for sure, if NCB is carrying out raid at Chakrabarti residence, then for NCB, Souvik Chakrabarti is an alleged peddler. He is not a consumer, he is not a buyer, he is not a seller. So there are in total 5 to 6 categories in NDPS Act where you can be booked. He's not a buyer, he's not a seller, he's not a consumer. He's an alleged peddler for NCB, and this is the reason that the raids are being carried out at such a massive scale, that a senior IRS officer whose vehicle is parked here, along with the two teams, have gone inside. One team is waiting out for the backup purposes. You can see one team is here. At the same time, Samuel Miranda's residence is also being raided. Now, Samuel Miranda is somebody who was in touch with Zaid. Souvik got him in touch with Zaid.
Right.
Zaid is somebody who was arrested 3 days back. He confessed in his statement that he knows Souvik Chakrabarti. They used to deal in drugs. They used to supply drugs. So all these things are in public domain. Times Now has been putting out with the proof, and there is no doubt about it that they were not into the business. Now NCB is going to confront them. Back to you.